Assalamualaikum. Today our iftar is with this.
Today our mother cooked for us iftar, and today's here is salad, onion, tomato, cucumber, chili. এখানে হলো ভাজা বড়ি, আলুর চপ, পরে এখানে জিলাপি, আর পরে এখানে ডাল ভাত, বুট কারি, আর এখানে হলো বেগুনি, আর এখানে হলো ডালের বড়া।
আজকে আমরা এগুলা দিয়ে ইফতার করবো। এখন জন্য এখানে আছে ম্যাঙ্গো জুস,
আর এখানে পানি, আর এখানে মুড়ি। So guys, today I'll say my Shua also with that. Shua name is Shua in class, and now I'll start. A'udhu billahi minal shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And this is the Shua. This is my Shua we learn. And who like my Shua, tell me the comment. Yes, I also will eat with eat three brothers
together iftar.
together in the iftar. For 10 minutes is there. 10. So we are waiting. And our father is in shop still. Oh my god. And this is my watch, blue watch. Yesterday I'll show you guys my blue watch.
Yes, yummy.
Why are you touching if you're not eating?
And see.
So we'll do iftar after. Now we'll do bye bye Allah Hafiz and finish.
So now
Bye,
please
guys.
say bye bye love
Hafiz.
So bye bye
Bye,
love
Hafiz.
Thank you for watching our video.
Like, share, comment and subscribe.
Like,
Share, comment, follow and subscribe.
share, comment and follow and subscribe.